Hey, what's up guys? Today it's Friday, it's Christmas, Fork in the Road's on, it's Forkmas. Gonna head down to Victoria Square now and get me some food. This foodie's now reporting for duty. Okay, this is the notorious PRG from Cheesy Street. They squeeze a bit out. I should look out the sunglasses. Easier. Alright, good. Taste the pork's so juicy and soft. It's even chill. Look at that, it's sticking out. Notorious PRG. Now an injectable Nutella donut. Look at that. Just pick this whole thing up.
No, I got the taste of it.
I've got to insert it all in. There we go. Might just smear some on top here. I'm gonna take some.
More expensive though. Like this is just select. I don't know.
I'm such a junkie right now. Stick it to my veins. Can't see how this tastes.
No, you gotta inject a whole lot in.
Right. Sorry, boss. Very sweet. So good.
Did you have to try it?
With a pallet sugar on top of Nutella's smeared in. Okay, next up from Taco Cat, it's what is it, a mushroom taco. Quick information, Taco Cat spelled backwards is Taco Cat. It's fresh, I like it. Beautiful. Love mushrooms. Okay, another Fork in the Road done. Dude, the food was amazing. That video was a bit shorter than normal because I had to head to my work Christmas show tonight. Then tomorrow morning, flying to Bangkok. Please follow this channel if you want to see all my Bangkok and Southeast Asia adventures. I'm starting from Bangkok, from Thailand, moving my way to Laos and finishing off in Cambodia. It's going to be an amazing trip. I hope you guys stick around and see that. Hey, well, if you like this video, send me a like, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. My name's Chandy, I'm thanking you for watching. Peace.